Right, see if we can get this Speedo working with a GPS. When it comes from the factory, when you buy these Koso GPSs, it comes with a hall sensor and a couple of magnets stick on your front wheel. I don't want that. I don't like wiring down the front, so I've gone with a GPS pickup unit that comes with it. What I've done, I've made a mount on the back of the number plate there for the GPS pickup. Run the wiring all the way down the frame. You don't really need to see that. That comes to their little magic box tricks here, which I've made a bracket for to encase it all, so that will actually fit up there eventually, hiding everything. Need to sort out the polishing on that, but that's by the by. The actual wiring for the sensor, for the Speedo, sorry, is all in, connected up, so when I turn the ignition on, all that works. So on the back of the Speedo we've got two buttons. One is select, the other is adjust. I'll mark those up so you can actually see if I've got my editing right, because I'm not exactly Bill Gates when it comes to this sort of stuff. Let's see if we can get it working. So with the ignition on, press both buttons for 3 seconds and it should take us to the settings screen. There we go. It's set to 1000 in a minute, and I should set it for 7146p. Make sure I'm getting the right button. Oh, bollocks. One too far. Right then, I think we need to try that again. Right, here we go. So, pressing the adjust. So it's 0, 7, 1, 4, and that needs to be set to, oh, wrong bloody button, 6p. So now if I press the button once on here, it should display 38 miles an hour for 10 seconds. Which it looks like it's working. Yeah, looks good to me. Right, I'll get the GPS connected up. We'll get it outside and see if we can pick up some satellites. Don't know how well the camera's picking this up, but there is actually an LED flashing in there. Depending on the number of pulses every 1.5 seconds, it tells you what it's picking up and what it can see and what it can't do. So I probably won't be able to even see that outside, but let's give it a go. As you can see, we're outside. Can't see piss all. Oh well. So looking at the book, it appears I have GPS reception. Happy days. So that's all the covers back on. Everything's tightened up, plugged up, ready for that side of it to go. So that appears to be the Speedo working. I can't take it for a test ride at the minute just to double check it, because I've got no MOT on it and there's a couple more jobs need doing. But hopefully if you've got a D55 Speedo and you want to do the GPS, or you've got one, this might go some way towards helping you of actually getting it connected up and working properly. A couple more jobs I need to do. I need to get the back brake blade ready for the MOT, get everything put back together. There's another couple of little things I want to make for the bike. So hopefully in 2-3 weeks time I'll have the bike MOT and on the road. Thanks for watching.